Hey guys, Darren here. So you came upon this video because you want to start eating better, but you don't really know where to start. So in this video, I'll give you a few examples on how you can slowly transition from processed foods into whole natural foods like lean meats, fruits and vegetables, and whole grains. And so when I say slowly, I mean do it slowly, because if you start eating chicken and broccoli every single day, you might last for a few weeks, but then you're really going to start craving those foods you're trying to get rid of. So I'll give you a few examples on how I used to eat and how I kind of transitioned to eating better. So how I used to eat was pretty terrible. I'd be eating fast food probably 3, 4 times a week. And if I wasn't eating fast food, it'd be processed foods like frozen pizzas. And not the little frozen pizzas. I'm talking, I would eat an entire large pizza by myself. And that can be up to 1,500 calories depending on what's on it. And I would also eat like huge mounds of spaghetti and with red sauce and garlic bread. And that's just not the way to do it if you want to lose weight. So this leads me into my next point is you could still eat the food you love, but don't eat as much of it. So divide your plate into thirds. So I would do right now, I don't eat as much pizza as I used to, but when I was transitioning, I would make a frozen pizza still, but I'd only eat 2 slices, and then I'd fill the rest up with a salad, bunch of veggies, and light sauce. Or not sauce, but light dressing sauce. And same with like spaghetti is one of my favorites. So I'll make a third of my plate the spaghetti, a third of my plate vegetables. I really like broccoli and green peas. And then a third of my plate would be a lean meat or, yeah, some chicken or something lean protein. So try and divide your plate up into thirds. So still include the foods you love, but divide it up and include those whole grains, those vegetables, start eating a little more fruit, and that'll save you a ton of calories right there. This leads into my next example is, when dividing your plate up into thirds, do more protein. Protein is the priority. So you want to be eating 15 to 30 grams of protein per meal. And for me right now, I'm eating like 5 meals a day, and I include protein in every single one of those. So if you want to find out how much protein you should be eating, it's usually 1 gram of protein per body weight. So like I'm 180 pounds, so I'm eating 180 grams of protein every single day. And if you want to learn how to track your calories and stuff, which I really recommend, it'll see where you're at. There's a free website. It's called MyFitnessPal. You can find out how many calories it takes for you to maintain your weight. And you should be under like 500 calories under your maintenance calories to lose weight, okay? So go to MyFitnessPal, fill out your information, start tracking your calories. It'll take you a few days to get used to it, but once you do it, you'll be a pro at it. And just remember to stay under those maintenance calories, okay? And when I started out, I started eating probably 200 to 300 calories under my maintenance calories just to take it slow. And then once I got a little better at it, I was eating a little less and less, and the weight was starting to come off. So I know you can do it. And if you're interested in a few more tips and tricks on how to lose weight, go ahead and click that link below, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.